Hello, this is Joy, and I'm standing in a 2-bedroom, 2-bath Cozumel model in the village of Tierra del Sol in the Villages. We're having an open house here on Saturday and Sunday from 11 until 2. This is a very nice property. There is no bond. It has a new roof, new HVAC. It shows it's a sweet, sweet home. Let me just pan a little bit for you so you can get an idea of the kitchen and the space and the patio, and that way, and I'll put more pictures out tomorrow on this listing. So here we go, look. I'm standing just by the kitchen here. You can take a look. Easy to use. You could put a little island in there if you needed to. I'm going to pan very slowly. That's the garage door in front of us. Let's just go over here and do a wee bit of a sweep so that we get into the back patio area, or as you say, lanai. So this lanai is actually perfect for seating areas, eating areas, play areas. You've got a lot of space. This is very, very spacious. And it is enclosed. You can see the fans. It is enclosed, and they do have windows up. So you can close this up in the hot weather. So let's just walk back inside for a moment, and I'm just going to give you a quick look at the living room. It's just a lovely, lovely area. And I'm just going to very quickly go outside and show you the front patio area. Nicely done, very nicely done. Come and see us, Saturday, Sunday, 11 until 2.